Welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Happy Valentine's Day. uh, how are you all today? I hope you all are fine. We will see that what's next in love for you. If there is any person on your mind, what's their current feelings, and are they coming back or not? Will you spend the Valentine's Day or week with them or not? Or else, if you are single, what's next in love for you? This is a Valentine special reading, Valentine special video. So our today's topic is that what's next in love. Okay, if you are single, and if you are in a relationship or any situationship, that then will your person will contact you, will they be with you on Valentine's Day or week, or will they contact you? We will see what's the energy is coming up. Please remember, this is a general reading. It will not match or resonate with each and every one of you. And for personal reading, you can contact me on Divine Instagram, on my Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot, and you can email me also. My details and links are in the description box below. I hope and pray and wish that you spend your love, you spend your Valentine's Day week and your life with the one you love. Okay, so we have two options in front of you. Let's see what's next in love for you. We have two options in front of you, red and yellow candle. Okay, this is red and yellow candle, option 1. Option 2 is this cute couple. Hope you can see this cute couple. Hope you can see. Yeah, so option 2 is this cute couple. Option 1, option 2. You can pause the video, meditate on the video. You can choose any one pile, any one option, or you can choose both option as well. Okay, listen to your intuition while choosing the options. I hope you can see. Sorry, my camera was not focusing. So we will start with the option 1. Okay, let's go. Yay. Let's go now. Those who have chose this option, red candle and yellow candle, let's see, guys, what's coming up for you, what's next in love for you. Ooh. I'll just keep this aside. Okay, just a second, I'll just keep this aside. Okay, those who have chose this pile, guys, you have been stuck. Some sort of ending has occurred in your life, and some sort of cycle completion, relationship ended in your life. I feel like that, and currently you are still stuck. Currently your energy is also feeling like that. Someone has deceived you or ditched you in love matter. I feel like that. But what I can see and feel that a marriage is coming, love marriage is coming. It means you will be getting married with the person you love. Yes, within 10 months. Depends on whenever you watch this video. After from whenever you watch this video, from that time on to within 10 months. So yes, within 10 months they are coming. I can see either you are stuck or your person is stuck. Yes, some sort of situationship, your relationship has ended, your person has deceived you, but after that, you have came in your power with this King of Swords. Some sort of cycle completion has occurred in your life with your person, and after that, only you have seen your actually you have come in your power. And I feel like some sort of breakthrough is going to come. Lot of possibilities, opportunities are going to come. Transformation, changes are occurring, yeah, or going to occur within the 10 months. I feel like that. So, and I also feel that you are working you are working on yourself. I mean to say, if you are just a second. Okay, if you are doing some project, you're focusing on yourself, working out. I mean, you have started some exercise, doing something on your own, on your something creative you are doing, working on yourself, concentrating on yourself. I feel like you are focused on your career, some of you. So yes, so a lot of opportunities and possibilities are going to come for you, and I can see happy marriage, happy committed relationship for you within 10 months. And currently, if you are feeling stuck, or currently you feel like there is no hope left in the situation, there is a hope, guys. Definitely there is a hope for you, and there are chances you'll get married. Most of you, I feel like that you are going to get married with the one you love, with the one you love. Yes, love of your life is coming. Yes, some if someone has deceived you in the situation, you just don't need to worry, okay? And just try to heal your heart, and a lot of new opportunity possibilities are coming. There are chances your past person also can come, and there are chances new love also will be coming up for you. I can see that. For 10 percentage, I am feeling you guys are already married and happily married, with the love of your life. I feel like that. Most of you, someone has ended, you have ended a situationship, someone has ended a relationship with you, deceived you, cheated you, some sort of deception vibes I am getting. But don't worry, if your person is stuck, there are chances, within 10 months you guys will have possibilities and opportunities coming up to get married with each other. It was a karmic cycle which has come to an end. Completion is there, don't worry, okay? You might also travel with the person you love within 10 months. And for some of you who's married or who's already in a committed relationship, there are chances you'll travel, or you'll go on some sort of small vacation, or somewhere near within your state or country. You'll spend time with your lover or your partner. I feel like that. And some sort of breakthrough is going to come. I think for some of you, I already some transformation or changes has been started or started occurring. A lot of transformation changes I am seeing. And you guys are getting more creative day by day. I feel like that. Some of you might love lotus flower. I feel like that. Orange color also I am feeling. I don't know why. Orange color, lotus, these symbols might be significant to you, or flower or oranges. I feel like that. Hmm. For some of you, you love flowers, or you'll get some flowers on Valentine's Day, red roses, or I don't know, whatever whichever flower you like, you'll get some roses, flowers on Valentine's Day. I feel like that from someone. Definitely, some might for some of you might be some new person also propose you. Okay, I hope you can see the cards, see all the cards. Okay, so yeah, I feel like that. We will also see the charms. I also want to pull out some charms for you guys. So sorry, just a second. Those who have chose first option, red and yellow candle. I can see the happiness. I can see, you know, love is coming, and you'll get married with the person whom you love. Okay, let's see. This can be new person and old person, depends on your situation. Now let's see. We will see the charms also, and after that we'll complete the pending reading. Just a second. I just want to watch it. Okay. Possibilities, breakthroughs. Okay. See, transformation is coming. This heart has popped out on this beyond illusion card, on this transformation card. I feel like believe in the impossible word line is coming into my mind. So you need to think and feel beyond illusion. I mean, you need to believe in impossible. Some sort of transformation and changes are coming. For some of you, your third eye is opening, or your third eye is already open. No matter what, but love is coming. This heart has popped on this card. Love is coming, transformation is coming, big change and breakthrough is coming in love matter. Your past person also can contact you, and if something has ended with your person in past, I feel like angels are working to give some breakthrough in your life, in your and that person's I mean in your relationship. See, again I am feeling lotus is coming again and again. Someone has taken away your stability. I feel like that someone has deceived you, or someone has interfered in your relationship, and this relationship has ended because of that. And now you feel like your situation is stuck and stagnant. But don't worry, safety is coming. Angels are working. Rainbow color charm we have received on this creativity card. So I feel like, your happiness is coming back. Your happiness is coming back, definitely. And for some of you, I'm seeing marriage. See, just now I've said like 10 of cups card also we have received. Commitment, engagement, marriage is coming with the person you love. I feel like that. So that is what is next in love for you. Okay, I can see new person is also coming, and past person is also coming. Okay, if you don't want your past person back, no worries, new person is also coming. Initials for you: E, G, P, U, K, and X. See, this can be for some of you. I am feeling like for most of you, this is regarding your ex who has deceived you, ditched you, cheated you. But that person is coming, and he is going to give you some ring and commitment, offer you marriage. I definitely feel like that. See, and and they will might give you some roses, or someone new will give you some roses and propose you on Valentine's Day. But if not, they are coming. If not on Valentine's Day, definitely within 10 months there are chances you'll get married with the person you love. Strong chances are there, because 10 of cups card has come, and that is my love marriage card. It means you'll get married with the person you love. And flower also has come. So definitely, if you are single, you are going to get married, and if you are married, you are going to have a child. Definitely, for some of you, might want to visit India, or from India, I feel like that. See, definitely I can see some sort of celebration, and some sort of celebration is going to come. I feel like someone's marriage engagement can happen within 10 months. Who's watching this video, I mean who has chose these candles, definitely you'll get married, and you'll move in with your partner. You'll buy a home, or they'll move in with you. Some sort of those things you'll guys buy a home together and start living together, something like that. I can feel it, definitely. Animals are very much connected to you in recent times or currently, or for the month of February. So you just need to, if you are not animal lover, I feel like you should spend some time near animals. And for some of you, you have a pet or you love animals. I feel like that strongly. Don't worry, okay, your love life is going to be blossom, and someone will propose you or give you some red roses or flowers. If not propose you, but definitely I can see someone is coming, and they will give you some flowers. They'll propose you, and they are going to give you some love offer. I can see that rainbow colors. So color is coming. If you feel like your life is boring, no colors in your life, don't worry. For some of you, reunion is also coming. Reconciliation, reunions are coming. Past person, ex person is also going to offer you love or commitment, and new person also I am seeing. So definitely, in short, the strong message I am getting is that majority of you, that you are going to do love marriage within 10 months or round about 10 months. It means if you are stuck single right now or in a situationship, doesn't matter, there are chances you'll get married with the person whom you love. Now you do with new person or old person, that is up to you, but I can see that commitment, marriage, engagement ring, celebration, growth. If you are married, there are chances you'll have a child, baby, something like that. You'll see some you'll also see you'll have some sort of communication from the past person, because angels are working for some sort of breakthrough, so that negative people and negative energies will be removed from your relationship or your from your situationship. I feel like that. E, G, P, U, X and K are the initials. This can be someone's name, middle name, surname, company name, place name. Okay, don't worry, you don't need to worry. Now let's see the messages. These are the love messages from the person who's most on your mind. Okay, the person who loves you, the person whom you love, the person who is most on your mind. Let's see. Okay, so they are saying your voice is so sweet. So person, this can be your ex, or you are dating someone, might be dating somebody, but the person who is on your mind, they are saying your voice is so sweet. Okay, another message for you is that this is the song they don't know about us, One Direction, Take Me Home. This is the song. If you want to listen to it, maybe some lyrics will resonate with you. I also feel new romance is going to come. Definitely new romance is going to come. I want you. So your person is saying I want you. Another message for you is that let's go somewhere. See, I'm telling you, your person wants to travel somewhere. With depends where do you live, within your city, within your state, within your country or out of country, depends on your situation and where you live. But your person definitely want to spend some alone time on Valentine's Day especially, and he or she will take you, she's saying that let's go somewhere. I can definitely feel your ex person is coming and he will take you somewhere else. And if you don't want your ex, this can be your new person. Okay, third party over. So I feel like someone has deceived you and created confusion in your relationship. I think this is your person who has cheated you because of third person, and you have chose someone else over you. They are coming back. They are saying that third party over, and they are now awakened to your relationship, and they want stability and security and safety with you now. And because angels are working behind the scenes, so that your relationship will progress, guys. Don't worry. So third party over, that's the message from your person for some of you, from your ex. Okay, next message is I realized I was behaving devilish. So your person might be was behaving devilish, like I've said, Seven of Swords. Your person has deceived you, ditched you, or left you for third party, or left you for somebody else, for some other person, other girl or other female, male, depends on your gender. You are like an angel. So now your person has realized, because some sort of breakthrough has came, or angels are working behind the scenes. Because of that, your person has seen other people's true color, third party's true color. I feel like that, and now he understood your value, that you are an angel for him or for her. You are like an angel. Some sort of breakthroughs, I'm telling you, is coming. Angels are working behind the scenes, and you will receive the communication from the past person as well, whether you want it or not. But I feel like you will receive some sort of communication, or some sort of flowers are coming at your doorstep from your ex. I feel like that. Chanting, manifesting. So for some of you, I'm feeling like you might be doing some manifestation, positive affirmations, meditation, chanting. Because of that, your person has realized that you are right, the third party is wrong, and whatever the situation was in between you two, but they have deceived you, and now they have realized they did wrong. And if you are not doing manifestation, then and you want your ex person back, then you should do. But I feel like most of you are doing it, and that is why you are going to get the love of your life, and some sort of transformation and change is going to come. And that is why this message has came, chanting and manifesting. So definitely you are manifesting and doing some meditation for your person or for your relationship. Money minded, so your person was might be money minded, that's why they have left you, or some sort of money was involved with the third party. So this is what I feel. Next message is for you. Thank you for always being there. So you have supported your person a lot, okay, and you have supported your person a lot. Now they are realizing that you have been always there for them. And this is regarding most of you, this is regarding your ex person, your past person. They are coming back, and there are chances you will get married with the person, with your ex person. Definitely. And if you don't want your ex, the new person is coming, and you'll be getting married with the love of your life, okay, with the true love of your life. I feel like that. So I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Please remember, this will be a general reading. It will not resonate or match with each and every one of you, okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Now we'll move to the next pile. We'll take all this charms. You can skip to the second option directly, okay. Let's see. Please like, share, subscribe and appreciate me, guys. Please, please, please like, share, subscribe and appreciate me also. Do some energy exchange, guys. It makes me feel motivated. Okay, now let's see those who have chose this luck for you, this couple, second option. Let's see. Let's see those who have chose this luck for you, this option. Sorry, I have touched my camera. What is coming up for you? What is next in love for you? How will be your Valentine's Day? Will you spend it or not? In pile 1, there were chances they will there was new and old, both person was coming, and there were chances in pile 1 that their person was coming back, past and old, new person both. And some sort of flowers or meeting was gonna happen, because their person wanted to take them to somewhere. So this is what I felt in pile 1. So if you were attracted to pile 1, you can watch that pile as well. For pile 2, let's see those who have chose this couple. I feel definitely you are going to, currently you are feeling alone, you are not sleeping at night, your sleeping pattern is disturbed, you are worried, tensed about your love life, about your life partner, that everyone has got married, you are alone, and you will not receive anyone, you will not receive any communication from your person, or you will not get anyone, not ex, not past person, not new person, because your age is, you are getting older day by day, and you will not have somebody next to you, sleeping next to you, and because of you will not receive, you will not get any life partner. Those sort of things I am feeling. You should work on your throat chakra, okay. Your throat chakra is kind of blocked. In pile 1, heart chakra was disturbed. In you, I feel like throat chakra is disturbed. You are also not sleeping till late, or your sleeping pattern is disturbed, and you are dreaming about the person when you will have your life partner, or some of you are waiting for your past person. Some sort of awakening is also going on with your ex, or with your person, or with you. I feel like that with both of you, I feel like some sort of awareness or awakening is going on. See, whatever has happened to you in past, whatever is happening currently, because of it you are not able to sleep, and you are also missing your past person or waiting for past person. And some of you are waiting for like, I just need a man to get married. I want also true love, I want partner, but you feel like that. So don't worry, success is coming. Okay, definitely success is coming. You should if you are not doing any manifestation or praying, you should do some prayers to any goddess, goddess Lakshmi, goddess Ambe, goddess Durga, or goddess any Parvati, so Kalima. You should pray to any goddess. And if you are doing it, it's very good, because a lot of feminine energy I am feeling in this. And I also feel that this pile, who have chose this pile, you most of you ladies are watching this pile, and you are you are feeling alone. You are, you feel like you don't have anyone, you are single. You are exhausted with your life, nobody is there to help you. You need a partners who can help you, not only physically or emotionally, but also economically, socially, in every way. They can be with you, you can be with them, they help you, you help them. And everybody has got partner. You also want to get married, you also want a partner. Everybody has got married, you also want to get married. I feel like that. Don't worry, wheel of fortune card we have received. So some sort of change is going to occur in your life with this exhaustion card. I feel like currently you are feeling like very sad, exhausted, tired, sleepless nights, so for some of you anxiety you are feeling. But from this energy you'll come to, you'll come to this energy awareness, because of wheel of fortune. Wheel of fortune will turn in your favor, and some things are going to change in your life. A lot of secrets are coming out or going to come out. Definitely process is going on. Currently the process is going on, it's work in progress. Okay, you have a lot of love for others. You are this queen of cups, beautiful lady. You might love to dress up or do some sort of you might love to wear some sort of jewelry, or you might love to do some sort of hairstyle or makeup, or some sort of natural product you use. Or you might love to be very natural. You might love to stay in natural clothes, natural, I mean you don't use any such products or such jewelry, or you are very simple type of a person for some of you. So but very pure hearted. Okay, doesn't matter what you use or not, but very pure hearted, lot of love for others. And you want this is your dream. Okay, this is your dream that you want.